Hey kiddos, this is just a little slideshow to tell you how to make turkey place cards. You can find all of these supplies in your little baggie that I sent out. You're going to need the cardstock, a peach color, full size, a white color that's exactly the same size as the peach color, and the yellow and orange cards that have a paper clip on them. You'll need your markers or something to color with, maybe paints or colored pencils, a glue stick, scissors, a big Sharpie, and of course, creativity. Step 1, cut your peach colored paper in half. Fold it in the middle and cut along the fold. You can save the other half for another project. Put it in your little plastic baggie. This part is tricky. You're going to cut it in half, and then you're going to cut each part of those, each paper that you cut in half, you're going to cut that one in half and cut it in half again. You're going to end up with 8 little rectangles. Repeat, that means do the same thing, with the big white paper. With the peach paper, you're going to cut out little turkey bodies. If these are too tricky for you, watch what you can do. You can cut out little circles for the heads. You could cut out little rectangles for the necks and big ovals for the body, but then you're going to have to glue it all together. You choose. Oh, you can draw the shape before you cut it. That might be smarter. You should also have 8 white rectangles. You're going to cut huge rainbows as long and as tall as the rectangle shape is. This is going to be the turkey feathers. With your Sharpie, draw a pattern that's similar to this, and it'll be your feathers. You can use lines, dots, circles, or any sort of design to make your turkey have feathers. Color the feathers. You can use any colors you want. You can also use paints. Now it's time to do the face. It can be however you like. If your dad's silly, think about making a silly face for them or him. The nose, the beak, you just fold a tiny piece of paper in half and cut a tiny triangle out of it and glue the bottom triangle facing down on the face. You can add whatever kind of eyes you want. You could even put glasses on one of them or big hairy eyebrows. And don't forget to add the gobble. After you glue the beak on, you can draw it or paint it. Okie dokie, turkey dackles. Next up, you're going to fold one of your yellow cards in half the long way. And then you're going to glue the feathers first. Go ahead and look at mine. See how half of them are off of the card or a quarter of them are off the card? That will leave you room to put a name. Glue the feathers first, and then you can glue the little body, the beak, and then the feet. You can add the eyes with just a Sharpie or make fun eyes and cut them out. And now, to assemble the cards, you're going to take a yellow card, fold it in half. After it's folded in half, you're going to glue the feathers on first. Part of them should go off the card. Then you're going to glue your little turkey body, and the beak is next, and last are the feet. Once your turkey is on there and you draw the gobble and you draw the eyes, you can put whoever's place card it is, you can put their name right on the front. This one is Frankie's. It says Frankie. And inside of the card, this is where you're going to write why you're thankful for that person. I wrote 3, but you only have to write 1. You always think of others, you make me laugh, and your smile fills me. Hey, don't forget your periods. All right, guys. Make as many of these as you want. for all the people that are coming for your Thanksgiving feast, and have a beautiful time celebrating each other and remembering what you're thankful for. I'm thankful for you. Gobble, gobble.